Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up brand watermark creation for photographers in Photoshop. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Photoshop and create a new document. Set the dimensions to around 800 by 400 pixels for optimal visibility. Choose a transparent background to ensure the watermark blends well with images. Select the text tool from the toolbar on the left. Click on the document and type your brand name or initials. Highlight the text and adjust the font, size, and color to match your brand's identity. Consider using a bold font for better visibility. You can also incorporate a tagline if desired. To add a logo, go to File and select Place Embedded. Choose your logo file and click Place. Resize and position the logo as needed within the document. Now, to create a more cohesive look, select both the text and logo layers. Right-click and choose Duplicate Layer to make a backup of your designs. Merge the layers to combine your text and logo into one. With the layer selected, go to Layer and click on Layer Style. Here, you can add a drop shadow for added depth. Adjust the settings until you're satisfied with the shadow effect. To save the watermark, go to File and select Export As. Choose PNG format to maintain transparency. Name your file and select a save location, then click Export. Now, your brand watermark is ready to use. Next, open an image you want to watermark. Drag and drop your saved watermark file into the image document. Use the Move tool to position the watermark where you want it. Adjust the size if necessary by pressing Ctrl+T or Command+T. Once you're satisfied with the placement, go to Opacity in the Layers panel. Lower the opacity to make the watermark more subtle. Finally, save the watermarked image by going to File and selecting Save As. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.